According to information obtained by the Philippines' second batch of additional ATAK helicopter orders, it is estimated to include 6 helicopters. The Philippine Air Force has expressed interest to procure up to 18 more aircraft, although no further negotiations have taken place to pursue this plan. The Philippines also received an offer from Turkey to finance additional helicopters, believed to be between 6 to 18 more units, as the PAF pushes to replace its aging fleet of McDonnell Douglas MD-520MG Defender light attack helicopters. The Philippines is the first export market for the T-129 ATAK helicopter, as an earlier order from Pakistan encountered export license problems for subsystems supplied by United States-based companies, which forced Pakistan to cancel its order. The Philippines can make concessional loans because the law allowing this option has not been revised. This is the reason why, despite many countries offering concessional loans to fund modern weapons, the Philippines failed to agree to even one of the many offers. Max Defense Philippines and its extension Philippine Defense Resources previously reported that there was an option clause existing as part of the original order for 6 helicopters, which would allow D&D Philippines to order a certain number of additional helicopters at the same price as the original deal. The Philippines looking to procure a minimum of 6 helicopters to form one squadron with the original 6 helicopters, to up to 18 more helicopters to also allow the creation of a second squadron. But it will all depend on funding.